Welcome to the training session of the manufacturing of Presto Instanza stamps, the fastest and easiest way to stamps and profits. We have made a conscious effort to explain every step in great detail so that you face minimum problem while manufacturing your Presto Instanza stamps. Presto supplies the best quality of stamp raw materials and our machines perform the best with our raw materials. Today, Presto means quality, price and service, all in a perfect balance. Our machines have been designed for ease of use, excellent output, and astonishingly low cost of ownership. The Presto SS machine is equipped with an intensity controller and a protective switch to ensure that no accidental flashes take place without the protective cover in its place. In case you wish to flash conventional flash foam of any thickness, the same can be done by using the spacer provided with the machine. Now, as a first step towards stamp making, you will have to typeset the stamp using any desktop publishing software like CorelDRAW, PageMaker, Word or Illustrator. Take a normal printout on Presto vellum or a tracing paper using a 600 dpi or above laser printer. Cut the printout along the matter. Cut the OHP film little bigger than the printout. Remove the top and bottom cover of the Instanza mount that you want to flash. Place the OHP first and then the printout on the foam as shown. Fix the setting with the sellotape as shown. Insert the inking funnel in the spacer provided. Place the complete arrangement on the exposure area. Now slide the pressure assembly along the rails and center it with the exposure area. Tighten the pressure knob till you achieve a good contact. And there is no need to exert too much pressure. Please place the protective cover in its place. You will notice that there is a safety switch on the cover and the machine body. Unless these two align properly, the machine will not start the flashes. Remember, this is for your own safety and to prevent any accidental flashes. Now switch the machine on. Set the voltage controller to full and press the setting switch to bring the LED reading to 6. Press the start switch. The flashes have started. Open the assembly. Here you should get a shiny black background and grey letters. A grey background indicates inadequate pressure or inadequate number of flashes. If the letters are too thin, then it indicates overflashing. Please adjust the number of flashes in such case. Presto have 5 ink color for its Instanza stamps. The Presto Instanza stamps needs to be filled with exact amount of ink as per its size. Switch on the weighing scale. Place the stamp on the scale and turn the tare to 0. The size PI 5917 stamp needs to be filled with 2.7 grams of ink. Pour the ink through the inking nozzle till the reading on the weighing scale reaches 2.70, that is 2.7 grams. It will take approximately 30 minutes for the ink to absorb fully and the stamp will be good enough for tens of thousands of sharp and crisp impressions. Make the index label and paste on top of your stamp for easy identification. Pack the stamp with the given box. This marks the completion of the process. This is the chart which mentions the quantity of ink per size. Presto Instanza stamps are capable of multicolor impressions. The ink has to be filled from the front side. You will note that the ink is absorbed only through the letters. Ink should be given in small amounts. Please take care that the two inks do not mix on the surface of the stamp. It is expected that a multicolor stamp will give lesser number of impressions compared to the single color stamp. Since the quantity of ink absorbed is substantially less than the single color stamps. Re-inking. After thousands of impressions, the stamp will start printing lighter and it is time to re-ink. The re-inking process is same as the inking process except the ink quantity. Please refer the relevant chart. In the unlikely event of any unwanted impression, you can seal off the same using Fevikwik as shown here. Presto Instanza is an amazingly fast and clean system where you can make great quality pre-inked stamps in a matter of minutes. The Presto Instanza range is presently having 12 sizes, and addition of new sizes is a continuous process. You can manufacture multicolor stamp, multilingual stamp, photograph stamp, signature stamps, and of course normal office rubber stamps. You can cater to the office rubber stamping needs of all offices, school, government departments, banks, and an endless list of big and small institutions. The market is huge. We congratulate you once again on your decision to purchase Presto SS machine and wish you a profitable future. For any suggestion or complaints, please feel free to write to us at stamps@prestowonders.com. I repeat the email ID, it's stamps@prestowonders.com.